Okay, hey everyone, this is Sam, the Frugal Hugel gardener. I'm in front of my flagpole where I have a Hugelkultur banana bed that goes all the way around. When I first planted that, I got videos below of when I dug it out, filled it in with horse manure, with logs and chips on the bottom. So you got to search for that video if you want to see how it was done. So I already posted a different video below when I ripped out all of the clumping banana plants that were here. You got to search for that video to see the attachment I used and the different ways that you could pull them out and which way I felt worked easier. So now what I'm doing, if you look around, you see these PVC pipes in the ground. And then you see this one and that one here on the water main. So this is a water main mark so I don't accidentally go ahead and bust the pipe. And then you see these other markers. Well, what I'm doing to find the beds, I'm going to get down in this hole. Okay, so what I'm doing to find the beds is I'm taking rebar. And this one's in there pretty good. Okay. So I'm taking rebar like this and I'm putting it in the ground and probing. And when I go down deep enough, if I'm over the bed, I'm going to hit a log. So right over here, put that back in the hole. Okay, so right over here, you can see the outline right here. You see this? This is an outline of a log that I cut. And you can see it's aging, and I could actually put the rebar in it. So a lot of the others, when I went ahead and I probed, it went clunk, clunk, and I knew it was on the wood. This one was going down and getting stuck, so I was thinking the wood was a little soft because it's supposed to start disintegrating, deteriorating. You know, that's what it's all about. It absorbs the moisture, and if it's done right, it feeds water to the roots. So I went ahead and dug this hole out just so I can make sure I was right over the bed, and to show you that there's a log down there. Now this log is over about a foot or a foot and a half of chips that are down below it. And if I dig around, you can see these pieces of wood. Well, these are all chips that are all the way around it and all the way down. So this log, when I put it in, it's over chips, and I filled chips in all the way around, and some of them are still there. Okay, let me get out of this hole. So there's the hole. You can see the depth. There's another one. So I'm going to plant bamboo there, and I'm going to plant banana plants going back around and bamboo at the end of that one. I just wanted to turn the camera on. You know, I'm in the middle of doing it for the past couple days. I just wanted to turn the camera on and go ahead and show that I took out all these banana plants. And now I'm going to go ahead and find the beds, which I did. I'm over all those logs for the Hugelkultur. And now I'm going to go ahead and prep the soil with, I'm going to dig holes like this, and I'm going to put more horse manure in there and mound it up a little bit, and then I'm going to go ahead and plant different variety banana plants. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm using my stump bucket attachment, and I'm digging a hole right over, listen, you hear that? That's the log down there. So I'm making a hole right over the log like this, and then I'm going to put a bucket of manure. All this is manure, but I'm just going to put some fresh manure down in there so it mounds up a little bit. Okay, right there is the log. So I'm just going to scoop a little bit out around it. Just like that, and I'm going to put manure right there over the log. Okay, so there's the hole. There's the rebar. That's the log. I'm going to throw some manure there. The same with that. And you can see I went around and I scooped out. I didn't go down too far because I don't want to remove that log. But you can kind of see every place that there was a PVC pipe that I marked. That's every 9 feet. I dug it out. Now I'm going to get down in there and probe it, dig a hole. This one I already put the manure in it. Now I'm going to level off on top of it, and I'll do the same for that. And eventually I'll be done. Okay, so I finished digging the holes. I went ahead and probed, found the log, and then I got horse manure and I put it in all the holes and I raked it up around the PVC pipe. So now where you see the PVC pipe, that's the center of the hole where the log is, and that's where I'm going to go ahead and plant my new banana plants. And on the end I'm going to put bamboo. But here you go. So now I just got to level all this out. Rome wasn't built in a day, and planting banana plants the right way takes time. So let me go ahead and finish up. There's going to be a part 2 to this video, or at least I'm going to put the planting section at the end of the video. And that's going to be another day, not today. Okay, so as you can see, it's all tilled under on both sides. The PVC pipe marked the places where the plants are going to be. So all I got to do now is mound all the way around where the banana plants are. It's going to be a mound. So I'm going to let this set for a while. And then I got to get in there and manually rake it and mound it by hand. Talk to you soon.